Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best video light kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Torjum Softbox Photography Lighting Kit, which is designed to illuminate your creativity in a versatile and effective way. This kit features a 16 by 16 softbox made of high-quality PET fabric, which ensures even and soft light diffusion. The inner silver reflective material works to eliminate shadows, making it ideal for portraits, product photography, or live streaming. The kit also includes an 85-watt 3000 to 7500K LED bulb that offers a wide range of color temperatures to suit different scenarios. In terms of design, the softbox is supported by a sturdy aluminum alloy tripod that features a locking system for added stability. The tripod is adjustable and comes with a 210-degree rotatable head, allowing you to direct the light exactly where you need it. The entire system is relatively lightweight and easy to set up, making it a good option for people who need portability. While the Torjum softbox performs well in controlled environments, its true strength lies in its affordability and reliability. However, the lack of advanced features such as dimmable brightness or remote control options means it might not suit professionals looking for more customization. Pros include its sturdy build, energy-efficient LED bulb, and wide light coverage. On the downside, this kit might not be as feature-rich as higher-end options. Overall, it's a great starter kit for hobbyists or content creators on a budget. Coming in at number 4 is another Torjum Softbox Photography Lighting Kit, which offers similar features to its sibling but comes with a single softbox instead of two. This makes it an excellent option for users who need a compact and minimalist setup. Like the previous model, it comes with an 85-watt 3000 to 7500K LED bulb that provides a wide range of adjustable lighting temperatures. The softbox's high-quality PET fabric ensures soft, even illumination with no harsh shadows, ideal for close-up shots or live streaming. The kit's tripod is durable and features a stable locking mechanism, ensuring it won't wobble during use. The 210 degrees rotatable head allows flexibility in directing light, which is especially useful for adjusting the setup on the fly. The compact build makes this kit highly portable, and it can be easily stored when not in use. While this version of the Torjum kit is more affordable and compact, it may not provide enough lighting power for larger setups or professional projects. It's best suited for beginners, small studios, or content creators working in confined spaces. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of assembly, and excellent light quality for the price. Cons include the lack of advanced controls and limited coverage due to the single softbox. If you're just starting out or need a portable lighting option, this kit is worth considering. In third place, we have the Nice VD 2-pack LED Video Light Kit, which is packed with features that make it a versatile choice for photographers and videographers alike. With adjustable color temperatures ranging from 2800K to 6500K, and dimmable brightness from 10% to 100%. This kit allows you to customize your lighting to suit any scenario. The light panels boast 356 LED beads with a high CRI of 97+, ensuring accurate and vibrant color reproduction. The design of this kit is both functional and portable. The 10-inch by 7.8-inch LED light panels are compact and include a diffusion layer for softer lighting. The aluminum tripod stands can extend up to 60 inches and feature 3 locking knobs for height adjustments, making them suitable for a variety of setups. Additionally, the kit comes with a phone holder, making it perfect for content creators who shoot with their smartphones. This kit excels in user experience, providing stable, flicker-free light that's ideal for everything from live streaming to portrait photography. While it's not the most powerful option, it offers excellent value for its price. Pros include its wide adjustability, high-quality light output, and portability. The only real downside is that it's USB-powered, so you'll need a reliable power source. Overall, it's a great mid-range option for creators who need flexibility at an affordable price. At the runner-up spot, we have the Neewer 2-pack Bicolor 660 LED video light and stand kit. This kit is a powerhouse, featuring 660 LEDs per panel, split between warm and cool tones, allowing for a wide color temperature range of 3200K to 5600K. With a maximum illuminance of 3300 lux at 1 meter and a CRI of 96+, these lights deliver exceptional brightness and color accuracy, making them perfect for professional filmmakers, photographers, and YouTubers. The build quality of this kit stands out thanks to its rugged aluminum design that enhances heat dissipation and durability. The U-shaped mounting brackets and included barn doors give you complete control over the direction and shape of your light. The light stands are stable and can extend to 75 inches, providing flexibility in positioning. Additionally, the kit offers dual power options. Use the AC power adapter for studio shoots or go wireless with NPF batteries, sold separately for on-location shoots. While the Neewer kit is slightly heavier and more expensive than other options, its superior build quality and professional-level features make it worth the investment. Pros include its high light output, excellent adjustability, and sturdy build. The cons are its higher price point and the additional cost of batteries if you want wireless operation. Overall, if you're a serious creator looking for professional-grade lighting, this kit is a fantastic choice. Finally, in the #1 spot, we have the LED Video Light Kit by Hagibis. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, yet it doesn't compromise on quality. The kit comes with 2 LED light panels that feature adjustable brightness from 0% to 100%, as well as a CRI of over 95 for accurate color rendering. What sets this kit apart is the inclusion of 18 color filters, allowing you to add creative lighting effects to your photos and videos. The design is compact and portable, making it ideal for creators on the go. The included tripods are adjustable and lightweight, and the LED panels can be rotated 180 degrees and adjusted with a 360-degree ball head, giving you maximum flexibility. Powered via USB, this kit is incredibly convenient. Just plug it into a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter, and you're good to go. This kit is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, or anyone looking for an affordable lighting solution for streaming, video calls, or content creation. While it may not have the power or advanced features of higher-end kits, it's unbeatable for the price. Pros include its portability, ease of use, and creative color options. The only downside is its limited brightness compared to more expensive options. For $31.59, this is an absolute steal and our top pick for budget-conscious creators. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.